What's up, everybody, and welcome to the Blue Collar Mystic. My name is Owen Hunt, and I'll be your host. I'm really excited to be able to begin this process and to share what I've learned over the past 10 years with you. All that is hidden shall be revealed because it's already within us. Everything that you seek, you already are. The first thing that I really want to touch on in this series is thought, is thinking. And I think that we're taught that from a very young age as well, that we're not going to be able to do the things that we want, that we are victims to the world, that we are subject to its whims, its laws, its unjustness, and how we choose the way that we entertain our thoughts, the way that we accept or reject those thoughts has a huge impact on our reality. The truth is, we determine our reality and exactly how it's shaped and how we experience it. So I'm excited to go into a deep dive with you and learn more. Stick around, hang out, be sure to subscribe to Reality Practice. Check out the podcast, Blue Collar Mystics. See you next time.